What is Neo HD? Neo HD is the centerpiece of your home entertainment system. A single, simplified remote control operates all your connected devices by easily navigating an intuitive on-screen interface. All your audio and video devices can be connected and controlled by the Neo HD Media Controller, including your HD TV, cable and satellite set-top boxes, Blu-ray and DVD disc players, game consoles, DVRs, VCRs, and even USB flash drives and iPods with music and photos. It's remarkable how Neo HD can easily control virtually any manufacturer's audio and video devices. Neo HD delivers a powerful yet dynamic and immersive surround sound experience from the built-in amplifiers used to drive your speaker system. Yamaha's Neo HD not only offers advanced HD features, such as HDMI digital audio-video connectivity, but also provides Dolby True HD for high-definition surround sound audio decoding and much, much more. Even with all these sophisticated features and high-performance technology built in, Yamaha Neo HD is simple to use. Now your entire family can control and enjoy the dynamic, high-definition home theater experience with all the added benefits of simplicity and intuitive control. One remote, complete control, immersive sound, endless enjoyment.